This is Troy with Agro Salons, where I help hair brands and hairstylists grow and make more money using Instagram. In this video, I'll be covering how to sell hair on Instagram in 3 easy steps. So the first thing we need to know is this. This is basically a 3-step process. We have an awareness phase. That's someone learning about our business. In the second phase, we establish a relationship. In the third phase, we actually sell to the people that already know, like, and trust you. So in the awareness phase, sorry, I misspelled awareness, but we're basically sending out signals. We're making someone aware of our brand, of our products, of our services. So we're taking someone who's cold, they never heard of us, and we're, letting them know about us. So the way we can increase awareness on Instagram is by sending out signals. So the signals we can send out on Instagram are going to be likes, comments, and follows. So, find a target audience on Instagram and engage with them. Just like on their post, comment on their post, follow them. This is a signal you're sending out to them to return to your profile, visit your profile, and they're either going to return the engagement or they're just going to follow you. So this is, again, how we build awareness, by sending out signals. So once we, send out these signals and we get someone to become a follower of ours, we have to establish a relationship before we can expect them to buy from us. So how we establish a relationship on Instagram is done through stories and Instagram Live. These channels allow for you to get a bit more intimate with your audience. These channels are also perfect for educating your audience. So on stories, you can do, behind the scenes style content, vlog style content, product reviews, things like that. On live, you can do like Q&A, so you're basically interacting with your audience in real time, answering their questions on the spot. So not only are you establishing a relationship, building trust, you're also building authority. So they begin to look at you as the authority within your space. So again, we establish relationship on Instagram stories and Instagram Live. The final step to this is the selling aspect. So the relationship plus the right offer to the right people equals sales. So now that you have established a relationship with your audience, we use direct message to make offers and close sales. So how do you find the right people to sell to? We basically look at the people who are consuming our stories. Stories is a step above the news feed. So if someone opted in to view our stories, they're a little bit more engaged with our business or our brand, because it takes a little bit more effort to view someone's story than it does the news feed. And the beauty of stories, Instagram shows you who views your stories. Not only does Instagram shows you who views your story, like, this is super valuable information, they also give you a little, paper airplane, whatever you want to call it, the DM little icon, so you can DM them. So they want you to see who's consuming your stories and they want you to message them. That's why these are pretty much the options that they give you on the back end of your story. So message the people who are consuming your stories, because these are the most engaged followers that you have. So they're like right in between. Buying is just something that maybe you haven't answered in your content, or maybe you haven't answered on your website, that hasn't gotten them over the hump to actually purchase. So one thing you can do is you can simply message them and say, hey, how's it going? Do you have any questions? Or you can actually make them an offer, or pitch them. So and you can literally just copy and paste it. So, hey, I want to thank you for engaging with me and my content. Let me know if you ever have any questions. By the way, I want to offer you a special promo code to show my appreciation. So use promo code favorite follower to get 10% off. The promo code expires in 7 days. So you're basically, giving them a special offer, and you're putting a expiration on it to entice them to take action, immediate action. So you can word it how you like to word it for your business, for your brand, but this is effective. So again, we're creating awareness, we're going out and getting new followers, we're building a relationship, establishing trust with them through stories, through lives. Then we're DMing the people who engage with our stories and our lives. Again, if you need additional help with this, go ahead and click the link below in the description of this video to book a strategy call with me. Found this video helpful or useful, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.